Hello, and today I'm at Kobe Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to be showing you this lovely 2018 on a 68 plate McLAREN 720S, and this is in a rather stunning Belize blue. I think it looks great on the car, and with those carbon black features, it really helps it stand out. I'll start this video by climbing in and showing you the interior. As you pull down the wing door, it does have soft close. Now this really is a stunning interior. Of course, it has push button start stop, and there you can hear that 4-litre engine. How fantastic. I love how all the features wrap around the driver. Really gives you that unique feeling sat inside. It's got this carbon steering wheel, which is of course to save weight, but also looks fantastic. It's got the big gear shifters as well on the steering wheel, which also looks pretty cool. It's got everything you could possibly want. And I really like this tidy screen. As I mentioned, it wraps around the driver and it's luxurious, but also looks quite cool, like you're in a racing car. As you'd expect, this vehicle is really low, and from inside you just feel how special this car is. Look at all the buttons. Each are crafted and just stand out, and hidden in lots of different places, so as not to have too many buttons for the driver, to really give that sporty look. It does also have practical features like USB ports in this centre storage compartment, and also a cup holder, although I'm not sure I'd carry any drinks in this car if it was mine. Something that I'd like to show you as I climb out is this really clever roof. Here you can see with LED lights it acts as a sunshade, and if you press this button here on the centre, there, it transforms into a normal sunroof at the push of a button. And that was a £9,000 option. This has £80,000 worth of options on, and was used by McLAREN themselves as a show car. Which is why it has just about everything on it. Climb in, as you won't be able to hear me over that tremendous engine. This really is the perfect supercar, and I think in that Belize blue it looks tremendous. There you can see the 720S emblem, and something that I really like and stands out is those McLAREN brake pads, as well as of course the McLAREN logo in the centre hubcaps. it's got many nods to the original McLaren F1, which of course is a very special car. The way it's shaped, and for me, this singular windscreen wiper in the centre just shows the car's heritage and how far as well the McLaren brand has come. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.